Good morning, everyone. It's my privilege to be part of the fourth meeting of the CIA Southern Regional Council meeting being held here in Vijayawada. It's great to see the Southern Regional Council representing the vibrant and diverse industries of southern states. It's also inspiring to witness close to 70 CEOs now coming and industry titans here, a lot of whom I call my own friends, and in the last 5 years who I've always bounced ideas off on areas that as a state we can improve. As a state of Andhra Pradesh, you witnessed change. 93% of the seats contested have been won by NDA. So it's been a clear mandate to create jobs. In our promises of 6 promises that we have made, one of the primary promises is to create 20 lakh jobs in 5 years. So that is the single agenda with which your government is actually going to work here in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is one of the fastest growing states, and our aspiration is to be among the first three states to reach the $1 trillion economy mark. As a state, we've always been collaborative. CI has always played a very important role in the erstwhile combined state of Andhra Pradesh with Mr. Naidu ji, and now after the bifurcated state also. Of course, CI's relationship with Mr. Naidu goes back to the mid-90s, where we were promoting India and not states in specific. And I think together we have achieved a lot. You know, our state has been a hub for agriculture, for MSMEs, for manufacturing, even pharmaceutical, and now we want to move faster in IT. In line with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision, Vikasit Bharat, Andhra Pradesh is also creating Vikasit Andhra Pradesh project. This will be soon launched to the people of Andhra Pradesh for their feedback on this, and we are committed to it and we will take it forward. I would also like to reiterate and build trust back. I understand the last 5 years wasn't exactly a very pleasant 5 years for the industry. I am aware of it. In the last 5 years, I did speak to quite a few of you. I've understood your pain areas, and we are here to win the trust back. You know, Mr. Naidu is in his 4th term as Chief Minister, and he's been telling us that this is going to be like his first term. So you understand, when a person becomes Chief Minister multiple times, you would imagine that for them it becomes now a routine. But Mr. Naidu brings in renewed energy to his 4th term as Chief Minister. His previous term was all about ease of doing business. Now it's about speed of doing business. So because investments have increased, you know, investing in hundreds of crores was a big deal. Now everything has become thousands of crores.
Conducting this huge event in Andhra Pradesh. It is a great opportunity for Andhra Pradesh to host this kind of event. As the chairman of Sports Authority of Andhra Pradesh, I am extending my support to develop sports in Andhra Pradesh. Please bring your valuable suggestions. Please bring your valuable proposals to Sports Authority of Andhra Pradesh, because we are here to develop sports in Andhra Pradesh. We have a lot of talent in Andhra Pradesh. We have a lot of talent in all kinds of disciplines. Previously, Ranganath Rajgaru has told us, he told us to implement sports quota for yoga also. Sir, I would like to remind you one thing, sir. Our Honorable CM Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu has given 2,500. Our Honorable CM Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu has given 2,500 village secretary jobs to almost 2,500 members under sports quota, sir. This is an all-time record in Andhra Pradesh. Why I am telling you this is, we are giving cash incentives also to the sports people. We are giving jobs also. Latest only 2 girls, one is Jyoti Surekha and another girl name is Jafrin Sheikh. They are selected as deputy collector, sir. One is from archery and another one is from Deaf Olympics captain. We are doing everything which is possible from our side, sir. I wish everyone all the very best for your future events also. It looks like they are very much tired. They want to leave this place as soon as possible. So, I don't want to trouble you much. In the mass subject, I will talk in Telugu with our people.